Hello and welcome to Plus One News, your daily star guide. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss your horoscope. Daily forecast 21st August 2025 Venus enters Cancer today, elevating care, home, and relationship themes. Moon sextile Mars plus Moon conjunct, Mercury bring clarity in talks and swift action. Aries, love, warm, nurturing vibes help you bridge gaps. Say it straight, then soften with care. Education, group studies click, pitch your idea confidently. Career, quick action plus crisp messaging win approvals. Finance boom and precautions, small home or workspace upgrades pay off, avoid impulse tech buys. Health precautions, shoulders upper back, stretch before long desk stints. Tip of the day, lead with honesty, land with empathy. Taurus, love, comforting chats restore trust, plan a cozy meal together. Education, notes plus repetition today is equal to retention. Career, your calm tone resolves a team tangle. Finance boom and precautions, transport vehicle matters favorable, negotiate patiently. Avoid luxury splurges. Health precautions, hydration plus steady meals. Tip of the day, make comfort your productivity hack. Gemini, love, playful, flirty banter turns serious in a good way. Education, short sprints of study, marathons, present findings allowed. Career, your pitch shines, keep it structured. Finance boom and precautions, side hustle ideas viable, run numbers twice. Health precautions, limit caffeine late evening. Tip of the day, edit your words, amplify your impact. Cancer, love, Venus in your sign boosts glow and attraction, share feelings plainly. Education, home setting ideal, declutter then focus. Career, your people skills close a loop with a client. Finance boom and precautions, family real estate talks favored, document promises. Health precautions, soothe digestion, simple meals. Tip of the day, your care is your superpower. Leo, love, a heartfelt conversation clears old static, listen, then lead. Education, practice presentations, a voice carries confidence. Career, follow-ups convert to results, be timely. Finance boom and precautions, revisit dues receivables, avoid showy buys. Health precautions, mind the heart rate, steady cardio, not spikes. Tip of the day, shine with purpose, not noise. Virgo, love, supportive friends play Cupid, say yes to introductions. Education, peer review improves your draft, accept edits. Career, quiet efficiency plus one bold email is equal to progress. Finance boom and precautions, budget apps help rein in subscriptions. Health precautions, neck eyes. Tip of the day, precision is kindness to future you. Libra, love, charm is high, define boundaries kindly. Education, debate skills peak, prep bullet points. Career, public-facing tasks favored, negotiate win-wins. Finance boom and precautions, career-linked expenses yield returns, avoid unclear joint costs. Health precautions, hips lower back mobility. Tip of the day, balance begins with one honest no. Scorpio, love, deeper talks transform a bond, ask the brave question. Education, research groove, cite sources meticulously. Career, strategic message lands, keep it minimal, powerful. Finance boom and precautions, travel learning spends worthwhile, dodge risky promises. Health precautions, water intake plus breathwork. Tip of the day, depth over drama. Sagittarius, love, honest, future-focused chat draws you closer. Education, new topic accelerates, teach someone to learn better. Career, collaboration clicks, split roles clearly. Finance boom and precautions, shared finance talks favored, defined timelines. Health precautions, hamstring warm ups if sitting long. Tip of the day, aim far, plan near. Capricorn. Love, Venus spotlights partnerships, small gestures, big claims. Education, structured timetable wins the day. Career, client communication sweet spot, brief plus human. Finance boom and precautions, steady gains, avoid contractual ambiguity. Health precautions, knees posture, align before lifting. Tip of the day, build trust like a ledger, line by line. Aquarius, love, say what you need, clarity sparks closeness. Education, curate sources, summarize in your words. Career, brainstorm shortlist ship, speed with structure. Finance boom and precautions, tools that improve workflow are worth it, skip fads. Health precautions, screen breaks for sleep quality. Tip of the day, innovations need instructions, write them. Pisces, love, tender Venus helps romance feel safe, plan a coming date. Education, creative revision, mind maps or audio notes. Career, pitch the human benefit first, features second. Finance boom and precautions, entertainment art spends okay, cap the budget. Health precautions, feet ankle care, light evening walk. Tip of the day, soft focus, clear choices. Birthday, yearly forecast, born on 21st August, Leo, zodiac snapshot, Leo ruled by the sun, creative, confident, magnetic. Lucky numbers 1, 5, 9, lucky days, Sunday, Wednesday, lucky stone, peridot, citrine as alternative. Gem select, lucky colors, orange, gold, compatible zodiac signs, friendship and love, Sagittarius, Aries, Libra, personality traits, big-hearted leader, generous, expressive, protective. Career and growth opportunities, leadership roles expand, media, education, hospitality, and design favored. Love and relationships, commitment talks flow, singers meet someone through friends community. Health and self-care, heart-healthy routines, daily breathwork or sun salutation. Key months ahead, September, November, February, milestones and money clarity. Birthday message and blessing. From all of us at Plus One News, may your year be bright, prosperous and full of love. Tip of the year, begin mornings with 5 minutes of mindful breathing. Famous personalities born on 21st August, Indians, Bhumika Chawla, actor, Barun Sobti, actor, Radhika Saratkumar, actor-producer. Foreigners, Usain Bolt, athlete, Kim Cattrall, actor, Bo Burnham, comedian, Robert Lewandowski, footballer. If this helped you plan your day, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned with Plus One News.
The zodiac forecasts provided by Plus One News are based on general astrological interpretations. These insights are meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Personal experiences may vary. We do not claim any scientific validity or guarantee outcomes.